你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Shi Aozhen's traffic value is recognized by CCTV, and the data is the first in the gap. Is he the champion of the double list? Shi Aozhen's Qingdao gourmet vlog hits, and his influence has attracted the attention of the official media, but CP fans mocked his charming shrimp. Shi Aozhen's traffic value is recognized by CCTV, and the data is the first in the gap. Is he the champion of the double list? Last week, Star Popularity Weekly List, Xiao Zhan won the double list champion, mainland male star list, first and star total list, first. This week, there are still 2 days to end, but Shi Aozhen's flowers data is already number 1 in the fault, and still number 1 in the 2 rankings. The data of other stars is still stuck in the hundreds of thousands, and Shi Aozhen's data has already broken 1 million. With 7-figure popularity, it won the second and third place with 9 streets. Judging from the situation of this big data, there is no doubt that this week's double champion is none other than Xiao Zhan. Not only is the mainland male celebrity list ranked first, Shi Aozhen's data is also the first in the total list of 11 lists at home and abroad. Shi Aozhen's popularity and traffic are so high that CCTV has stamped him for approval. Last night, CCTV's financial report conducted an investigation and report on Shi Aozhen's personal traffic. The sales of a certain brand of sweeper surged from April to May, and the sales in just 2 months have gone from the previous downturn soaring to the forefront of sales of the same brand. The abnormal data attracted the attention of CCTV, and they subsequently conducted an investigation. After investigation, it was discovered that it was Shi Aozhen's sweeper. It turned out to be sales brought by traffic. Xiao Zhan happened to be the official endorsement of the brand on March 29, and it has been more than 2 months now. CCTV's investigation and report is precisely the recognition of Shi Aozhen's flow. Traffic is the best way to reflect the commercial value of an artist. Now CCTV has stamped and approved it. Do black fans still question Shi Aozhen's ability to carry goods? Judging from the financial data exposed by the brand, since Shi Aozhen's endorsement, in just 2 months, the sales volume of this product fell sharply, becoming the second largest brand in sales of similar products. In the era of big data, popularity is linked to sales. Xiao Zhan may post on the homepage of the patent. The financial report of Shi Aozhen's endorsement was exposed. The official announcement that sales soared 410% that week, becoming the second in the industry. Wang Yibo returned to hip Hop 4 with a big change in style. Highlighted blue and white hair, braided, and beggar's pants are stitched to the thigh, and then torn again. As soon as Yu Gaiao Pianhua went live, it was revealed that it was changed into a female lead drama to provoke Xiaozhan fan. Tong Yao won the Best Actress, but she was ridiculed for acting well as marrying well, and her husband was scolded for it. Shi Aozhen's Qingdao gourmet vlog came, and his influence attracted the attention of the official media, but CP fans ridiculed his charming shrimp. Shi Aozhen's schedule in June was full. After the Qingdao show Like a Dream ended, he rushed to Beijing to participate in the live broadcast of The Boiling Night, and then returned to Hongdian to film. Participated in the press conference of Jade Bone Remote on June 7, and quickly returned to the crew to film after the end. Although the itinerary turns around, Xiao Zhan will show everyone his best in every activity. Xiao Zhan has shared the food vlog since the Wuhan session, and this time is no exception. On June 9, Shi Aozhen's studio shared the Boss Qingdao food-related video. The clothes worn by Xiao Zhan in the video are those of patient number 5. In the video, Xiao Zhan introduced Qingdao-related specialties. This time the situation is obviously different from the Wuhan scene. Xiao Zhan is not only wearing the clothes of patient number 5, but also wearing a headset. From this, it can be said that the next stage is about to come on stage or that the stage has just ended. It can be seen from the video that the studio prepared cuttlefish dumplings, spaniel dumplings, glutinous rice balls, oil residue, scorpions, shrimp slips, etc. for Xiao Zhan. When Xiao Zhan was eating the various delicacies he prepared, have carried out corresponding reviews. Among them, scorpion was directly rejected by Xiao Zhan. Although the snack is indeed a specialty of Qingdao, to be honest, I don't like it as a native of Qingdao. Of course, glutinous rice dumplings and shrimp skewers were highly praised by Xiao Zhan, especially the shrimp skewers, which made Xiao Zhan full of praise. Although the video is only more than 9 minutes, but from the small details, you can see the education in Xiao Zhan's bones. For example, when eating, cover your mouth with your hand, only break off the food that belongs to your own portion, and wipe the table with toilet paper after eating, etc. Later, when you see garlic-related food, Xiao Zhan even said that I will eat later. Coupled with the clothes of patient number 5 worn by Xiao Zhan, it is enough to show that Xiao Zhan will be on stage next, and eating garlic will affect other actors. In short, the sum of these small details is enough to show that Xiao Zhan's education was not pretended, but engraved in his bones. After Qingdao food vlog, many local friends went to check in and get the same money. The Xiao Zhan effect struck again. The places Xiao Zhan has been to and the things he has eaten have made netizens rush to punch the card first. So when Xiao Zhan Qingdao food vlog was released, it attracted the attention of the local Culture and Tourism Bureau. At the same time, the relevant purchase address of the same paragraph was also released. It is estimated that in the following Dragon Boat Festival, more and more netizens will come to Qingdao to check in with the same money, which will also promote a local tourism industry to a certain extent. While everyone was happily watching the video and feeling the state of Xiao Zhan in private, the CP fans couldn't sit still. They left messages in the video comment area to vent their dissatisfaction. The final expectation of Yangwei Studio: don't feast on prawns. I'm serious about feasting on prawns. Obviously we're eager to feast on prawns and so on. The reason why they made this comment is very simple, because in the video, Xiao Zhan repeatedly said that he likes to eat shrimp slippery and shrimp slippery. Delicious. Even the picture of shrimp was printed directly on the screen. It is well known that Xiao Zhan's only fan is Peter Pan, and Xiao Zhan once drew a shrimp. So Peter Pan slowly evolved into a little flying shrimp. This title is not only liked by fans, but also by Xiao Zhan himself. It is for this reason that CP fans are dissatisfied, and they have expressed their studio love shrimp. But what I want to say is that Xiao Zhan himself has the absolute right to speak in the studio, even if he deliberately cue Peter Pan. Xiao Zhan allows him. After all, Peter Pan and Xiao Zhan spent the days when they were violently attacked by each other with each other last year. The Starlight Award winners gave Xiao Zhan a piece of Red Sea, and the Dream Like a Dream in Wuhan gave a sea of flowers. It is precisely because of this mutual companionship that Peter Pan is not just a fan for Xiao Zhan, but more like family and friends. Even the upright cue is reasonable. On the other hand, CP fans, what have they given Xiao Zhan from 2019 to now? In 2019, Xiao Zhan was scolded on his birthday and touched a big bag in his forehead. Isn't it a CP fan? Isn't the cause of the 227 incident because of CP fans? Isn't it a CP fan who shouts "Protect my wife"? In Xiao Zhan's hometown, he drew a banner hoping that Xiao Zhan's parents would agree to stay together. Isn't Xiao Zhan the shame? Why don't you go to Henan to pull banners? Only stealing Xiao Zhan's materials, engraving on the fighter plane, causing Xiao Zhan to be scolded, etc. What did CP fans bring to Xiao Zhan? It seems that there is nothing but curse. To put it bluntly, every injury that Xiao Zhan has suffered from last year to the present is inseparable from CP fans. Every sugar they knocked was stabbing a knife on Xiao Zhan. Xiao Zhan Xiaomei said on live broadcast that he likes red, but there are CP fans who express whether you like it or not. I like red, yellow and green. Don't care about Xiao Zhan's feelings at all. The editor has something to say that Xiao Fei Xia and Xiao Zhan have been locked up since last year. The relationship between them and Xiao Zhan is not pure star chasing, but a kind of company. This kind of company will continue. They were not only attracted by Xiao Zhan's appearance, but Xiao Zhan's unique charm, his pattern, manner, seriousness and so on. As netizens said, Xiao Zhan is what we all dream of, but we are all changed by reality, and Xiao Zhan still sticks to our heart. This is also the reason why more and more people support Xiao Zhan. I believe that Xiao Zhan will become better and better in the future, and he will stand on a larger stage and show his greater charm. Unauthorized reprinting of this article is strictly prohibited. The offender must complain to the end. Some pictures are from the internet. If there is any infringement, please contact us to delete. Thank you.